Now in iteration state, as you can see here, first is while loop. This is also called as entry control loop. Means before entering it will check the condition. For loop is will not check any condition. It will like continue the loop till the number of times is mentioned in that loop. The for loop can be used while using range function as well as using list function. Then nested loop means a loop inside a loop. It will use to create two-dimensional array. We'll see later also. One example they gave for while loop. As we know that while loop is consist of four stages. The first stage is you have to set the condition. Then next stage is check the condition. Then execute the statement. Then update the value. So these are the four statements we have to always consider by for using while loop. This is one of the example in that while loop. Here one example is the condition is being set. It is checking the condition. It is executing the value. But here one thing is missing, that is updation of that value. So as it is not been updated, it is always remain 5. So the loop will goes continue. So it becomes an infinite loop. The next is for loop. This for loop can be used in two ways. Either I can use this range command or I can use list command. It will start with 3 but it will end with 4, which is less than one number. And here is colon we are using so that to end the sub statement, and print I is a compound statement of this statement, for statement. When we use this loop it will execute 3 4. Fifth will not come as it is out of the scope. Then here they have introduced one more parameter that we call as step. The third parameter is going -1, means it is going decreasing. So 5 minus 1 4, 4 minus 1 3. It will not execute 3 because before previous value then 3 is 4, so it will stop by 4. So you can see the output here. Now if you see the nested loop, you can observe some parameters here. There is a I loop will start from 1 to 3 now, 1 and 2 loops. For j it will start with 1 to 10. So until this j loop is not finishing, it will not go for next I value. This is what inside one loop. So one more variable has been declared here, k is equal to I into j. So I value will remain 1 and j value at each iteration the j value will get changed. First I 1 into 1 1, then 1 into 2 2, 1 into 3 3. It will goes to 1 into 10 10. So 1 to 10 it will go. So it will go horizontal, and then once this j loop finish it will end with space. In this each loop will getting end with this here. And the next this print will execute once this j value is finishing till 10 here, till it reaches to the finishing this loop. Once this loop ends it will execute to next command, which is print command. The next statement is jump statements. In the jump statements, the main keywords are break and continue. This example they are given for break. Once it satisfies the condition, then when we use break, it will come out of the loop and execute the value. Once it has reaches to I and the value is equal to I, it breaks and it ends the loop. The next is continue. As you can see here, in that value, in that, as this is a string data type, so as you can see the next is continue. You can see continue here. The continue will continue the loop even after accepting the values. So here in this loop, if the I is equal to I now, it will skip and it will goes to the next value, which is n, and if it is not equal to I now, it will execute to the next, which is print value. So guys, I need you to practice all these commands and read whatever topics is given in book also. This is how we will end the first revision part. I just gave you idea what we have gone through. Again you need to practice it, and I hope everyone is doing and finishing the workbook along with Python. Next time we'll see the next chapter, which is functions. Those who are having any doubts, you can approach me. You can ask me either individually or in group, no issue. And today task is type all the commands which are related to data types given to you. Practice this, and I want to check your worksheet progress. Questions I gave you to write as a program, so start writing that program. Even you can type the programs and give the list of all the programs in an answer in a word.
Thank you. Hari Om.